I can't escape my mind. From a broken bough, fall into finite space. With a roof torn down, this house is an empty place. So tired of wandering around and starting over. No garden grows here now, just a one-leaf clover. When the windows shutter, it's always dark inside. Sometimes the pain is absurd, still it's what fate decides. Thought I saw Jesus come down, dressed like a soldier. I used to cry like a clown, and now I'm older. You come the lonely night, can't escape my mind. You come the lonely night, can't escape my mind.